You might think I'm crazy, the way I've been craving. If I put it quite plainly, just give me them babies. So what you doing tonight? Better stay doing you right. Watching movies, but we ain't seen a thing tonight. I don't wanna keep you up, but show me, can you keep it up? Cause then I'll have to keep you up. So maybe I'ma keep you up. Fine. I've been drinking coffee, and I've been eating healthy. No one keeps squeaky, saving up my energy. Can you stay up all night? Love me till the daylight. 30 for 35. Can you stay up all night? Love me till the daylight. 30 for 35.
Can we stay up all night? Up a jet lag. You bring your finest and overnight back. Add up the numbers or get behind that. Play and rewind that. Listen, you'll find that. I want that 6ix9ine without Tekashi, and I want your body, and I make it obvious. Wake up the neighbors. We got an audience. They hear the clapping, but we not applauding. 6 o'clock and I'm crushing. When it gets to 7 o'clock, now he running. When it hit 8 o'clock, we said forget your girl, pretend that I'm her. Can make the cap hurt, can make my back hurt. Ay, making that squirt, and rain the shower, the spray. Now that's perfect, baby. We don't sleep enough, but I'ma keep you up. You can keep it up.
Baby, can you stay up all night? Love me till the daylight. 30 for 35. Can you stay up all night? Love me till the daylight. 30 for 35.
Rock you like a baby, but you know I'm about to keep you up. Welcome to my channel, and today I'm about to teach you something. I can make it pop legs up like a can. Wake the neighbors up, make it sound like the band playing. Let me get cute. He's about to come through. Hopping in the shower for about a whole hour. He finna act a dog in it, so he get the foul kitty. Netflix or Hulu, baby, you choose. I'm up like Starbucks, 3 pumps. Ooh, this good for your health, call it superfood. When I'm by myself, DIY like a shoe too. Bad, all the boys wanna spank me. Left him on red, girlfriend need a thank me. Vegas toast point, ballerina, no tutu. Baby, I'm the best, I don't know what the rest do. Dive in that water like a private island. 34, 35, we can 69 it. And I've been a bad girl, but this on a good list. I hope you ain't tired, we ain't stopping till I finish.
Can you stay up all night? Love me till the daylight. 30 for 35. Can you stay up all night? Love me till the daylight. 30 for 35. Means I want a 69 with you. No. Math class never was good.
5th of November, when I walked you home, that's when I nearly said it, but then said forget it and froze. Do you remember? You probably don't, 'cause the sparks in the sky took a hold of your eyes while we spoke. Yesterday, drank way too much and stayed up too late. Started to write what I wanna say. Deleted the message, but I still remember it said, I wish I was who you drunk texted at midnight. Wish I was the reason you stay up till 3 and you can't fall asleep, waiting for me to reply. April the 7th, and nothing has changed. It's hard to get by when you're still on my mind every day. Sometimes I question if you feel the same. Do we make stupid jokes trying to hide that we're both too afraid to say? I wish I was who you drunk texted at midnight. Wish I was the reason you stay up to sent you that drunk text at midnight. I was just scared it would ruin our friendship, but I really meant it. I wonder how you would reply. I was hardly in the back of the bus, and I couldn't figure it out. There was 19, maybe 20 of us. Felt like I could just do without. It's like a bad dream trying to keep my eyes shut, and now I'm starting to doubt if I'll find lightning in a bottle, 'cause I've never had anyone. So if I don't stay, will it matter? 'Cause there's no way to break the pattern. And I don't wanna feel alone. My past is not my fault, but my world keeps on breaking. It's always been the same. Half drunk friends feeling like strangers. Nothing ever changes. I know I'm forever dancing all alone. I've been running before I knew how to walk. When will I ever stop? Always 5 feet too far from the ones who said they loved me for who I was. And the silence of the beat of my heart has never been any louder. And it's frightening if I always end up feeling no one's around. So if I don't stay, will it matter? 'Cause there's no way to break the pattern. And I don't wanna feel alone. My past is not my fault, but my world keeps on breaking. It's always been the same.